Welcome back, everyone, to Not Your Advisor with NYU Grad. It is Wednesday, April 3rd. I may fall asleep recording this podcast. That session was really, really painful, and it had a dosage on my lunch break of listening to Jerome Powell at Stanford University. But wow, that was really, really painful. Um, but let's get into the numbers here. So on Wednesday, we had 432 new highs versus 196 new lows. 59% of stocks were advancing today versus 36% declining, and you had 40% of stocks below its 50-day moving average and 33% of stocks below its 200-day moving average. Now, the Dow, the Nasdaq, and the S&P basically closed where it closed yesterday. The Dow was up $43 or 43 points. The Nasdaq was up 37 points, a quarter of a percent, and the S&P was up 5 points, up 0.11%. If I had to summarize the day, I'm going to refer all of you back to my podcast number 127 from January 26th. And that one's titled NVDA Singularity. And that's really what this is. We're kind of just trapped by NVIDIA and Jerome Powell. NVIDIA struggled again with the $900 level. If we continue to stay at these $890 to $900 price range, the longer we stay here, I suspect we will go test the March 8th lows. We need to exit this range and go higher sooner than later. We can't get comfortable down here with NVIDIA. What else stuck out to me today? I actually wanted to read a testimonial that came in. This definitely it made my day. A paying subscriber, I'm just going to use their initial M, but they write, I signed up for premium after your Four Kisses podcast last week. Today, already on my first premium day, I learned techniques that easily are worth the full year's payment. Thank you for what you do. Well, thank you so much for being a paid subscriber. I'm really happy that you got ROI so quickly out of the premium membership, and I hope more free subscribers migrate to the paying subscriber. Um, so with that, let me just keep going here. So Powell, he spoke at Stanford University today around noon Eastern. It was a snooze fest. He just basically said the same things over and over again, saying they're data dependent. They're very happy with the progress of inflation going down. The recent data this week that showed inflationary pressures did not worry them. They think it's just a bump on the road, and they fully are confident that inflation will go to 2%, and everything will be great. That's basically what he said. Um, really, really a snooze fest. What stuck out? Micron Technologies in the semiconductor index up really nice. MU is the ticker symbol, despite the I would say laggard or pause that we're seeing in the semiconductor index. Micron is still acting really well. Silver, gold miners all acted really well today. The 10-year yield still persistently high at 4.35%. And let's walk through what was strong and what was weak, shall we? So on the strong side, These are all percents. Dell 8.6, Pan American Silver 6.97, New York Community Bank 5.86%, PaySafe PSFE up 4.82, Wheaton Precious Metals up 3.88%. Wow. SLV, as I mentioned, 3.69%. Uranium, 3.45. Yext, 3.23. Copper, 3.21. GDXJ, the junior miners, up 3.16. K Hovanian, the Hovanian home builder, ticker symbol HOV up 3.04, Netflix up 2.58, ACMR up 2.4, Coinbase up 2.3, Lennar up 2.23, Kinross Gold up 2.23, and GDX 2.16. If you hear cars honking in the background, yes, that's cars honking in the background in New York City. What was weak? VinFast Autos down 8.26%. Intel down 8.22%. Wow. Reddit down 6.96. DJT, Donald Trump Media down 5.41%. Birkenstock down 4.05. RH is Restoration Hardware down 3.93. Fresh Pet down 3.46. Shopify down 3.17, Disney down 3.14, Kura Sushi down 3.11, Klaviyo down 3.04. I don't know why I have Kura Sushi here twice. Um, you have natural gas down 2.79, MongoDB down 2.3, Crocs down 2.05, and Wayfair down 1.99. What to watch? Free members continue to watch The Magnificent Seven. Keep watching NVIDIA in this $900 level. Keep watching the 10-year yield and tech layoffs. Thank you for joining the podcast today, and I will see you all after the Thursday session. For premium members, please stay on for some charts.